In this lecture, we are going to learn about draft feature in Catia. First, create a random 3D part. Here, you can see the draft angle feature in Dress Up feature toolbar. Select draft angle. First, select the face you want to draft. Now, select a reference face about which you want to draft. Click on preview. Now, you can see this extended plane. This shows that the selected surface will draft up to this angle, that is 5 degree. You can change the draft angle from here. Now you can see that draft angle is increasing. Click OK. Now you can see that the selected face is drafted up to the given angle. Again, select draft angle feature. Select this face for draft. Now select the reference face about which you want to draft. You can also go in opposite direction by giving negative angle value. Now you can see that the plane is created in negative 19 degree angle. Okay. So this is the draft feature in Catia. Again select draft angle. Here you can see the two different types of draft, that is constant and variable. We had just learned constant type. Now select variable. First select the face to draft. Select reference face. Now give 15 degree draft angle. Here you can see the points option. Just like variable fillet feature, we can give multiple points to create variable draft. Now click on this point and change angle to 30 degree for this point. Preview. Now see this 30 degree draft on this point. Select another point and give draft angle of 10 degree. One more point. This time give 30 degree. Now you can see these variable draft angle at different points. Okay. So this is variable draft feature in Catia.